These are the Dixie Sonic puppies, and they are 12 days old. They're growing very well. Dixie's a fabulous mom. And these are nice, fat, shiny babies. Very content. There are 3 girls and 2 boys in the litter. Here is the liver tan girl. She is one of the smaller pups in the litter. Her eyes aren't quite open yet. This is Gretchen. There's a sliver there. Yes, there is. Just a sliver of your eyes through there. Oh yes, you're so precious. What a good girl you are. That's Gretchen. Next to her is her black and silver sister. This is Bits. Bits is our name for her, not her family's name. Yes, hello, sweetheart. You are not the smallest, but you are not the biggest, and either way, you're still pretty tiny. Yes, that's comfy, isn't it, laying on that heat pad? Yes, it is. And the other girl in the litter is a tiny black girl. This is Tiffany. Tiffany opened her eyes today. Are you going to wake up and show us those shiny black eyes of yours? Hey, Missy? Oh, big yawn and stretch. Yes, that's a good girl. No, you're just going to be sleepy. That's a good puppy. Okay, you go curl up here with your sister on the heat pad. And this one over here, black boy, this is Tux. Appropriately named, I think, with your big white flashy tuxedo chest and your white gloves. Hey, you are one of the bigger pups in the litter. Yes, not by much. You and your brother are the 2 biggest. Yes, so Tux is a black boy. And you're pretty handsome. You want to sleep on that heat pad too? And your brother matches you. This is Dell. And Dell is our name for him. Another white, big white tuxedo chest and white gloves. Except you're chocolate. You're a chocolate version of your brother. Yes, you are. I know. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You guys are all pretty chill. So there are Dixie's puppies, 12 days old. They're doing very well, and they're so sweet. Yes, good puppies.